Hi. It's dark. Morgan's sleeping. She doesn't know I have a camera, but I put it over her face. Hopefully she can breathe. I hope she doesn't die. Good sleep! Good sleep! Thank you! You were really sleeping! Phew! We fooled them, alright. She wasn't, obviously, really sleeping. She was a liar. She's a faker.
I'm sorry, it was only
technology! You dropped the camera!
Please forgive me.
Okay, go back to sleep.
Okay.
Okay, Reese, no.
Wait, no!
It sounded like a donkey. It's a donkey. Okay, she's sleeping now. And obviously, fully alive! Either that or she's the mummy back to kill me for doing this, and I haven't done it yet. Obviously, you're sleeping. What was that? Was that a monster? Nothing, it was my brother. He's still a monster. She just took a breath. If she shoots up right now, it's gonna go off her nose.
Okay.
You know what? This doesn't really seem to be working very well.
Okay, let's try again.
Everybody,
Let's try again.
Okay. Breathe in and out. Breathe. You still have to breathe. Okay. That was... Okay. If you pass out, this will work. Okay. Now we need another moment.
Wait, on the fish?
Toucan!
Toucan!
That's her brother's name, Toucan.
He's Toucan Toots. Go to sleep!
Okay.
She's a sleeping child.
Yeah, my house still open.
Morgan,
I like...
your arm is jelly.
You guys can probably share that.
Bring jelly.
My tickles!
Your belly is jelly.
Okay. Cut the camera, cut it.
Cut? Why?
Because it's getting long.
You can't breathe.
I can't breathe!
Someone tried scaring Morgan in her sleep, so she just ruined the whole... whatever.
Sorry.
She ruined the whole skit, so
Sorry.
you should all tell her to not ruin everything, because it's so bad of her to ruin stuff.
I'm so sorry, Elise.
And who sleeps with that over their head? I don't know. Such a freak.
What, this?
Yeah, you.
Oh, yeah. That's because I have to wear it for my videos.
We're going on 3 minutes. When it gets to 3...
Hey guys, remember when Eloise tried to scare me when I was sleeping? Yeah, well now she's sleeping and I'm going to try to scare her even though it's not going to work. I'm probably going to make her laugh first. But anyway, yeah, or something really, really strange is going to happen. Because you know what? I see this like quarter that I found. Yeah, I found it in her doorway and I walked over it 50 times before I finally realized that I should pick it up and give it to her. Okay, well anyway, she's asleep. And I'm going to scare her. Okay. Oh, come on. And I'm going to tap her on the back. Oh, no. She has scared me. Okay, I wasn't expecting that at all. That wasn't part of the plan.
Oh, Bob Lincoln.
That's what we named the quarter. We named the quarter Bob Lincoln.
You.
She's making out with Edward. Sorry, Eloise.
Your elbow hit my butt.
I'm having such a weird dream. Yeah. A vampire.
I want it to be a vampire. I hope it's a vampire. Hello.
Oh man, the battery's getting dead. Well, I mean, it's not like completely dead yet.
Can't breathe.
Should I cut the video?
No.
Okay. What are you doing?
I don't know.
It's kind of like what you were doing to me while we were watching 27 Dresses.
I was stimulating thinking. And I was taking away your blanket. Where'd it go?
My blanket?
My blanket.
Eloise, your leg is on my leg. Ouch! Hit the camera! Ow! Hit the camera again!
It's completely different. I kicked it.
Okay.
Go to sleep.
Okay.
Goodbye, public.
What?
Invading my personal nap.
I'm not really asleep. When this hits raise...
Did you turn it off already?
Oh, do you want it to be off?
Well, that's why I said goodbye, public.
Oh, I thought you said good... Okay, never mind.